Today, I'm teaching you how to find your shopping cart on TikTok. So, you're scrolling through TikTok shop, adding cool stuff to your cart, but later you can't find it. Don't worry, it's actually really simple once you know where to look. First, make sure you're logged into the right account. Look at the bottom menu bar. You should see a small shopping bag icon labeled as Shop. Tap that. This will take you to the TikTok Shop homepage where you can browse products, see live sellers, and track orders. If you don't see the shop icon, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. And check that TikTok Shop is available in your country because not all regions have it yet. Now that you're inside TikTok Shop, look at the top right corner. You'll see a cart icon. It looks like a small shopping basket or trolley. Tap that, you're in the cart. Inside your cart, you'll see all the items you've added while browsing TikTok Shop, the product name, size, and quantity, the price, and estimated shipping. You can tap on any item to see more details, update the quantity, or remove it entirely if you change your mind. If you started checkout but didn't finish, your items will still stay in your cart until they sell out. Some sellers also offer bundle discounts, so it's worth reviewing everything before tapping place order. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find and manage your shopping cart on TikTok in 2025. No more losing track of what you wanted to buy.